Jim and Tim. Jim was our owner. We lost him, unfortunately, in 2021 due to COVID. They started this company and they grew it into what it is today. Tim has taken ownership completely and has been a rock star and a great support system for everybody that works here.
I think everyone just has a good attitude, great behavior, and they all know what they're doing. So you learn from everyone. It does really build culture and a really good overall family dynamic.
What makes the team really strong is our communication. We talk to each other on a daily basis.
The guys are constantly communicating. They pick up the phone, they talk to each other, and they're out there like that. If they need an extra hand, we'll figure out who's out in the area and we'll dispatch.
The vibe is pretty rare. I've lived in South Florida my whole life. I've worked at a lot of different places. At Precision though, we all really truly get along.
Well, every Wednesday, all the technicians, management, installers, and the technicians in training, we show up and we do technical training.
We like to give each other feedback, lift ourselves up.
How's your day or how's your week been? And is there anything that you're just seeing out there, anything I should know about? So it's nice to get to see everybody all at once, once a week.
We like to hire good people that have a good personality and have good morals, which allow us all to pretty much click pretty easily.
It's actually kind of funny that you asked that because I am actually known as the mama bear. They actually call me that. They'll come in here and they'll bust my chops about things and they'll be like, okay, mom. They are the reason why I come to work every day.
I mean, we're here to share time, just laugh, have a nice cup of coffee first thing in the morning. It's good to know that the company that you're working for is always putting back into you as well.
There's a reason why I've been here for over 6 years.
It's just like being in a big family.
That's what we do here at Precision. We bring the service of our family to your family's home.
We are your trusted local garage door experts in South Florida.